So this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you if your Siri is not responding by speaking in Apple Intelligence or normal way. So in this case we go to setting directly. In setting we have to go Apple Intelligence and Siri. Go inside. First you have to activate Apple Intelligence. Is activated, I guess. So ask Siri, hey Siri. Then we go talk to Siri to see everything is fine or not. Talk to Siri is activated. If it's not activated, you have to activate. So it's on. Let's see. Hey Siri, how is the weather? But is not responding by talking. Hey Siri, play YouTube. But is not talking, is doing the things, is fine. So in this case, you go to setting one more time. You see here one button, you have Siri response. Click this one. You see automatic PPI spoken response. Hit this one. Now we'll try again. Hey Siri, how is the weather?
You'll need to turn on location services. It's currently clear and 11 degrees.
Hey Siri, what is the capital of United States?
Washington, D.C. is the capital of United States.
So this is the way you can make your Siri talk to you and respond by speaking. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.